Morning, or welcome back. It's morning for me. Beautiful day here today. It's only I think it's supposed to get in the 70s, and it's got probably can hear, got a nice little breeze going. Not a cloud in the sky. I still got some shade though over my sawmill, and we're gonna tackle some trees today on the sawmill. For the let me walk down here for the solar install. So kind of an ongoing thing. A lot of work when you're doing it by yourself. But yeah, it's a great day to be alive. Isn't that like a line on a song or something? We're living in probably, I want to say, some special times. Special times. This will be talked about this will go down in the history books, what's happening today in this world. So, just trying to get ready for it. Whatever you believe or don't believe, what's going to happen, it's going to happen. So, but right there, I got this stuff. I didn't video any of that yesterday, but got all my upper post cut and all my bottom posts, except for that steel one. I got to grind that off. It's full of concrete. So, but we're going to be cutting boards to run between all of these so that my railing can bolt onto it. I got you. Oh man, I can't pay attention. Anyway, so there's going to be boards across there and across there, and then I probably will do some cross bracing. But then my railing will be going this way, and then they'll be sitting on these boards I'm milling, and be bolted down to that. So that's what we're doing today. Lucky is down there. You see her trying to scarf up every bit of rabbit food. Garden's looking a little wild, but we had a pretty big picking yesterday. I don't know, our tomatoes, lots of tomatoes, but a lot of them are rotten in the center. So I don't know, I don't know what's causing that. So, but yeah, it's looking all right, I guess. We don't, we do better raising animals than we do growing a garden. You can see all the rocks that we have to deal with. So, but yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna get you set up here, and we're gonna get to milling some lumber. Hopefully we can get everything taken care of today. I don't know. We've been going hard at this for, I don't know, it feels like forever. But I don't know, the wife and I got up this morning and we were watching Home Free Alaska. Awesome channel, by the way. And she made a comment that you need to live too. So I'm hoping we can get some of this stuff done and take a break this fall from the everyday toil of trying to get stuff done. All right, let's make the sawdust fly. Man, this thing's got a rot. Okay, so down to a 6 by 7 inch can. So I'm pretty bummed. I don't know if you can see that. There's some rot right there. So I'm going to cut these 1.5 inches. And see what I can get out of it. I'm not sure if it's going to be usable or not. Kind of a bummer. But it is what it is, right? Let's see what we got here. So, here we go. All right, so I need So I need 6/4, right? 1.5 inches. Is that right? All right, so let's drop it down to 6. That right there. So what is that going to give me? Yep, 1.5 inches. All right, well, let's make a roll. Make her happy, cat. Probably going to get one more out of this, and that's it. I don't know. Let's see. Really not pleased with this at all. Man. kind of a tight squeeze it. Log. That. Sure, we got a good bite on this thing. Crash my mill. Alright, so this can here ended up with some this log, I should say, I ended up with an 8x8 can. So, honestly, I'm not cutting it down to, make sure that they're all 6s. So, I mean, an 8. This log has got some painful. But yeah, so I'm just going to go with 8. If I can get 8, that's better than a 6 as far as strength goes. Where was that? That's what we're going to do here. Knock out these 8.5x8. Pretty nice. I wish they were white oak, but I don't have that many white oak trees on the property. The majority of my stuff is red oak, and then got a bunch of, technically I guess it's white oak, it's sold as white oak, black oak or rock oak. Now making some of the tension out of that. Okay, another one. Hey, well, here's what we ended up with. I'm not sure actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. I got a bunch of flitches in there, some like 1x material, and then those ones I did originally that have the rot in them. I'm probably not going to use them. I can't believe my little sawhorses are still holding them. But the sawmill did good. I didn't try to cut my log stops off. That's awesome. And I used up the whole thing of water, so that's, you can see. I don't know, I probably used too much water, but I don't know, I like it lubed up, so. Got her all blown off. Skid steer worked flawlessly. There's the snow blower, got it up here ready for winter. And yeah, everything's, tension's backed off. Opened that all up, blew that out. And yeah, I think we're good. So, gonna go do some chores and all that good stuff. Still got lots of logs left. So, all right, well, I'm gonna end this video here. I appreciate you coming along. Hopefully we can get this up and get my solar installed, so we're not worrying about losing all the quality meat and veggies that we're growing and raising here on the farm. So yeah, so this video will probably come out after Labor Day, so everybody have a happy Labor Day, and that'll probably be when I make the next one, is after Labor Day. So we'll get, man, I got bugs and stuff crawling all over me. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, hit the subscribe button, and God bless. Catch you on the next one.